Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're pregnant or planning to be, this video is super important for you. We all know that what a mum-to-be eats has a direct impact on her baby's development. Today, we're talking about 10 foods that you should steer clear of during pregnancy to keep you and your little ones safe and sound. We'll break down exactly why these foods are risky and what you can choose instead. Let's get started. First up, raw or undercooked meat. It can happen when grilling steaks at home, ordering a burger at a restaurant, or even eating leftovers that weren't heated properly. Undercooked meat can harbor bacteria like Salmonella and E. coli, as well as parasites like Toxoplasma. These can lead to food poisoning, which can be much more severe for expectant moms. So, play it safe. Make sure your meat is cooked all the way through. Next is unpasteurized milk and those delicious soft cheeses like brie, feta, and camembert. Unpasteurized products haven't gone through the process that kills off harmful bacteria like Listeria, which can cause listeriosis. Stick to pasteurized dairy products when you're expecting. We all love a good runny yolk, but when it comes to pregnancy, it's time to cook those eggs all the way through. The reason we're so cautious about raw eggs is because of Salmonella, which can cause food poisoning. So until that little one arrives, enjoy your eggs fully cooked. Fish is an excellent source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for a baby's brain development. But certain types of fish contain higher levels of mercury, harmful to a developing baby's nervous system. We're talking about big predatory fish like shark, swordfish, and king mackerel. Stick to low-mercury options like salmon, shrimp, cod, catfish, and canned light tuna. Raw oysters and clams can seem like a luxurious treat, but they're not worth the risk during pregnancy. Raw shellfish can harbor bacteria and viruses like norovirus and Vibrio, leading to severe vomiting and dehydration. Opt for cooked shellfish instead. Deli meats and hot dogs can sometimes be contaminated with Listeria. You can still enjoy these foods, but you must heat them until they're steaming hot. This kills off any potential bacteria, making them safe to eat. We all need our caffeine fix, especially during pregnancy when fatigue can hit hard. But it's essential to consume caffeine in moderation. Too much caffeine can increase the risk of miscarriage or low birth weight. Experts recommend that pregnant women limit their caffeine intake to no more than 200 milligrams per day. This one's non-negotiable. There is no safe amount of alcohol that a woman can consume during pregnancy. Alcohol crosses the placenta and can directly impact the developing baby, leading to fetal alcohol spectrum disorders, FASDs. The risks are simply too great to justify even a single drink. Fruits and vegetables are packed with essential vitamins and nutrients vital for both mum and baby during pregnancy. But it's crucial to wash them thoroughly before enjoying them. A good scrub under running water is usually enough to remove soil, pesticide residue, and harmful bacteria. While the occasional indulgence is fine, consistently loading up on junk food and sugary drinks can have negative consequences. These foods are typically low in nutrients and high in empty calories, sugar, unhealthy fats, and sodium. They can contribute to excessive weight gain, gestational diabetes, and other health issues. Pregnancy is a beautiful journey, and what you eat matters more than ever. By making mindful choices about your diet, you're giving your baby the best possible start in life. Remember, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian for personalized advice. Let me know in the comments what cravings you've had or foods you've avoided. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pregnancy tips. See you in the next one.